Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, let's take a look at how to pair your Casa keys and Casa Touch to a second computer or device using EasySwitch. EasySwitch allows you to connect your device with up to 3 different computers or devices and switch between them easily with just the click of a button. On your Casa keys, the EasySwitch buttons are located on the F1 to F3 keys, while on your Casa Touch, it's on the bottom. To connect, just press and hold the channel of your choice for 3 seconds. This will put your keyboard and touchpad in discoverable mode, which is indicated by the LED blinking rapidly on that particular channel. Your device will now show up under the Bluetooth settings. Just click on Connect and follow the on-screen instructions if provided, and you are good to go. To switch between computers, a short press on the EasySwitch button will instantly switch your device. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our support site. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.